Hey, hi. So I'm going to talk to you about this automotive rust remover spray, 120 ml. I think you have seen it somewhere on Facebook or Instagram, and you're wondering if does it really work or it doesn't really work. Okay, they say it can remove rust, restore shine. Okay, and quickly resolves stubborn rust, brake dust, and oxidization to bring your wheels back to life in seconds. Okay. In the video, I feel let me play for you the video so that you can try to check it out. In the commercials, you can see that untreated parts of the components sparkle just as much as the treated ones. Now, I've been working No, I've been with people who have been working in garages for more than 25 years, and I've seen them restore cars, I think, multiple times throughout these 25 years. But let me tell you, even the most minor rust, once removed, it will never reflect like a mirror, just as I've seen in this video. In the commercials, you can see that after the spray has been applied and them spraying with the water, the components, the car really sparkle as if it's new. Okay, now I've been working with, I know people who have garages for the last 25 years, and they have restored, I don't know how many times these cars, but even the most minor rust, once removed, it can't reflect like a mirror. Seriously, guys. Okay, so this video is either an AI or a CGI. Okay, so far I don't think nothing handles rust better than Trilon B. There's that for some of you who are in car business, you know what Trilon B means. Okay, this is a kind of a well-known crystal powder. Okay, that they use to. It's a white crystalline powder. Okay, that automotive restorers or professionals use. Okay, it's usually in powder form. They mix it with water and use it as a soaking bath for rusted parts. For some of you who are in cars, you can know what I mean. Okay, and if you use it, which is actually best, I think, maybe for the last, I've been out of garages for the last, I think, since COVID 2021. So that is the best, I think, chemical powder that usually people in car use. Okay, so but even if it's like it's the best, okay, still it can't really make a car shine like in the advert. If you look at the people who are commenting positively on this ad, for example, this Norris, their accounts look as if they are kind of either new or boot accounts, though I can see they are old. But if you try to, see if these are real people, you won't find any posts on their profiles as if actually these accounts are made for just committing purposes. Uh, when you look at all people who are really commenting nicely, this is just what I need for my car. Daniel, when you go to Daniel, on his post, all you can see is he just changed his profile pic. That is it since 2024. It's as if like these accounts were made for, committing purposes, something like that. Okay, so this whole experience kind of gives you an idea that if a company is using AI videos without real footage from real users, it's a really a big red flag. Okay, seriously. Okay, I really appreciate AI. I usually use AI, but if such a product can't really have real footage of people really this real quick scrubbing the you know scrubbing the cars and rubbing off the rust, then it's actually kind of weird. Okay, it's kind of a red flag. Okay, So when you do buy this product, it's true that these guys will ship it to you. Most cases, actually, in ads like that, they don't actually scam your money when you pay. They do really ship you the product, but the issue is the product won't work as advertised. Okay, so for now, I think if I have a car, I would rather stick to Trilon B. For those of you in a car business, know what I mean. Okay, but for this spray, I haven't really seen someone who is using it because sorry, in the car business, for those of you who are in the car business, because I have like, I'm engaged in Facebook groups and some of them are like dealing with car stuff. I really haven't really seen like garages using this product. I know it's maybe used, it's meant for maybe home usage, but you just have to know like nothing really can make your car shiny like in this video. That is the truth. Okay, so I haven't really bought the product yet, but you know, you can easily know what is really real and what is hyped. Okay, so the product really exists, but this spray can't really work as advertised. That's the truth, guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye.